I am ready.
Okay. I announce you people, Christian with SpaceCraft.
Thank you very much. I'm going to show some progress I made the past weeks. So I'm just going to play this video here. There's no sound. So this is my multiplayer crew-based game. First off, we walk into a portal to spawn a ship and get into a team. So you go into the pilot console and you move around. So the other player here, I swap out the equipment of the ship here. There are like some different things, but they're not really implemented. But here I'm changing to laser turrets with guns. So this is what I've been doing. So when you pilot now, you can use the lasers. So if you change the equipment of the ship, they will be able to use it from the pilot seat. And there's some problematic with the network things. When things are moving really fast, you can see some of it here, but I've tuned down the speed. And I will probably do it some more because it's super hard to hit things when you're moving super fast. The other thing I was doing here was doing for the silos. So here's the factory things. You interact with it and it will spawn those missile crates. Right now some wonky physics if you try to put them down into objects, but here you pick them up and load them into those silo exhausts. So yeah, right now they're not connected to the gun seat yet, but this is what I'm working with right now. Thank you for hearing me out and watching my progress. Do you have any questions? Yes.
So how many people can you play your game?
The idea is to support 32 people.
2 people?
32.
32?
Yes. So a team of 2, so basically 4 ships in each team. Yes.
If there's going to be 32 players,
yes.
It's 2 people per ship? Or how many people can go onto one ship?
2 to 4.
Can you board other ships?
To start off, I'm gonna not allow that, but we'll see if it becomes something that you want to do. I want to aim to be the game to be a lot about cooperating. So you kind of like need to depend on others' information, and boarding a ship kind of like might cut that off. So I will see.
Can you dock like Star Trek?
Into other ships? No, not yet. Possibly you can land and enter the ship, but not dock into stations. If that's all, thank you very much.